So the first thing for the first application of Visual Basic for applications is the use of objects. And we saw already in this course that you can include objects. Controls. Okay, these are the native objects, the form controls, and these one are added and particularly are of Visual Basic for applications. So what's and you can format this one and properties. You have some properties, and then you have and this is a VBA native object. Okay, so form controls. Usually you create forms like dialog boxes that will appear to execute some functions, and with this one basically you use directly on your Excel file to trigger other elements in an Excel file like cells or ranges. You can do it with both, but with this you are really embedded, so if you associate this with this one, you can already have a relationship between an object and a range. If you remember, when we inserted a checkbox like this, you just need to select this element, this cell, and assign this to the property of this object. Okay, so if you're removing the design mode, you see it's true. If I type here false, this is disabled. As you can see, embedded objects are automatically linked to Excel ranges. Okay, if you want to work with them, you need to just click on the design mode, and you can do some action. You can format objects, change properties of the objects, like the caption here. Okay, and as I said before, the second thing that you can do is to assign a code. I can also do as I did before. Button OK, new. Visual Basic for applications automatically create a space where you can edit an event related to clicking on this button. So every object is assigned to one or more event routines. So that means, for example, if you're moving the mouse over a button, or if you're clicking on the button, you will do something. And the list of code within this routine will execute an action starting from some input and will return some output. Okay, this is, you get an object. Important that you understand this.